Mel is a staple in this neighborhood. We had a really bad weather storm a couple of months ago, and his flagpole snapped, just clean snapped in half. His son tried fixing it up, it didn't really work, it broke again. It just wasn't a great flagpole. It's just kind of sad looking, not having that flagpole to look at as he leaves. So I've been wanting to do something, wanting to try and get the community involved, and so I put out a fundraiser. A few people said that they'd love to donate, and then I think one of the neighbors is related to the owner of your company and reached out and said that he'd be happy to donate one. I personally wanted to do it just because I have a connection with Mel, and I figured, you know, it'd be cool to do that for him. Super grateful to you guys for providing that, but he's a veteran. He doesn't like to talk about it. He's very humble about his service. Anything that we can do for a member of our community that is a veteran, you know, more power to it. So let's see if they're home. Yeah. Hey Mel.
Hi.
How are you? I got a surprise for you. You want to come out here real quick? So, I've noticed your flag been gone for a little bit, so
Yeah.
we decided to get you one.
Oh, well, thank you.
Well, service first. It's a telescoping pole.
Oh, how big are
I haven't taken this out yet, so this is my first time seeing it. So here we go. This is it.
How nice.
If you wanna do the honors, sliding it over here. This should just go in there. There you
Wow.
go. And then we got your new flag. We got your little.
How kind.
Yeah, look at that.
Well, thank you, everyone.
You're so welcome. Oh man, that looks good. We'll bring it down. There's a little plaque.
Oh.
It says honoring our veterans. So we're gonna stick that on there if that's all right with you.
Yeah.